They're about to change the transmission fluid on the 2013 G37X. This thing takes about 5 quarts, and it's recommended to change them at 70,000 miles. I'm a little over on this one, it's 73, going on 74,000 miles. So I'm going to drain this out and take a look at what the fluid looks like. Now, this is the recommended fluid for this car. I got it from the dealership. Got a transfer pump. These things, I paid about $6, $7 for this. They're cheap enough. And we need a 19 socket to remove the drain plug, and a 30T they actually use this to remove the plug that you will test the fluid through, and you also fill this through that same hole.